Popcorn. How do you air pop something?
Like if the air gets hot enough, it will pop because that's how popcorn works.
Oh, that smells good.
It smells like the ocean and diabetes.
Diabetes.
Is it good?
Oh, that's really good. I haven't had popcorn in so long.
We already started.
Oh, you guys suck.
That's delicious.
But then
That's
again,
so good.
so does every other close friend.
You want a piece?
You could too.
You don't get one. You were late.
You just
Air.
Hey guys, Chaos here with Prisoner Penguin, our leader, and Lakota.
Oh, later. I like how you did that. Thank you.
And we are Films a Lot, and today we will
Sound
be
effects
doing
challenge.
the sound effects challenge. I got a haircut, by the way.
on fleek.
My hair is just gold, just so I'm told.
Is what?
Sorry, eating on camera. No, you're not allowed to have any. You were late.
Man, I don't need
You
something
cut
to
off.
drink.
Cut off from what?
Eating.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright, well, today we'll be doing
Well,
the
you
sound
just
effects
order.
challenge. And we will have him explain it because I don't remember how.
We said that already. Dude, these are nasty.
I know how to do it.
Well, then tell us how to do it. Explain.
Sound effects challenge is to where one person tells the other two, like a noise, like say flushing toilet. Y'all have to try to do the best you can to make that noise of a flushing toilet. Like that.
Thank you.
Y'all catch on. Alright. Devin, you call out a word and we have to do it.
It has to be reasonable.
Oh.
I'll bring these,
Um,
and you can go to lunch this time.
a platypus, go.
No, not the animal sounds challenge. Sound effect challenge.
Yeah.
Sounds effect, it could be anything.
What does a platypus even sound like?
Exactly. Wait, he does.
Oh, dude. I need to boost the audio on that. That was
I
good.
remember, like, Perry the platypus.
Bury the platypus.
Yeah.
Your turn. The only reason why that show made it was for
Your turn.
did.
Your turn.
Oh, I didn't know that's how we were doing it.
Your turn.
Yeah, you have to go.
And then
One
he
guy has,
decides
like,
who
a
gets better.
Cylindrical head. The other guy's head is like a triangle.
Straight triangle.
Everyone else is
rhombus.
normal.
A rhombus. Actually, I saw this thing. Turns out that his head is a triangle because of a sex affair.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, it is?
with the German accent guy.
Thanks.
I don't remember his name.
The truth behind these shows.
A platypus.
But he already did it, so that means he won.
Well, no, it's not.
No,
he does
you
it
both
first.
got to
You-
do, and
we
then
both
you
do it.
figure out who wins. So
Yeah.
1 point.
He gets 1 point.
All right, you make that sound. We got to do it.
Trying to think of something very obscure.
A tree.
Spilling
Oh,
a cup
God.
of water. Are you okay there, buddy?
Yeah. You go first, or do I go first?
I got this.
Alright.
Ting. Shit.
Honey, the kid spilled some water.
Get over here and clean this, Dave.
Whoa. What?
Remember,
This is
Devin,
offensive.
all of our offensive jokes are on our other channel.
But this is a. We only have one channel.
Exactly. I will give that to him.
Yeah.
Me?
Okay, no.
No, he got the point. He has 2 points now.
Underwear tearing. Sound that underwear makes when it tears.
I don't know what that sounds like. I've never had this problem.
All right, pants tearing. Everybody's had that. Like a pair of pants that tears.
You go first.
I'm hungry.
Got any duct tape?
Yeah, okay.
You see, because we're from Craig County, where duct tape fixes everything.
To him, at least.
Even marriages. Duct tape.
Oh no, my goodies are spilling out.
Devin. We said pants tearing, not little kid dropping his bag of candy.
I was talking about underwear. But...
Oh.
Just got weird.
That did get weird.
All right, Devin, you go.
Intercepted that high five.
Noise. My partner in crime today.
You're completely out of frame.
I'm sorry, my breath smelled really bad.
No, I didn't smell anything except for death.
Okay.
A couple leaving a restaurant because of the band there sucks. Go.
I don't think you understand the concept of this game.
It's not good.
Like,
I like a sound, like thunder. Somebody has to like make the sound thunder, and I'm losing my voice. All right, the sound. No, you can. Nah, the sound thunder. All right. Make the sound of an ogre.
It's not your turn.
This is my swamp.
Yes. All right, see that, like that, like
Yeah.
that. All right, now you turn. Go.
Okay.
You turn.
A car crash.
As soon as you say you first. I think that's good.
Car 1, car 2. Ah, bang.
Tristan.
I'm losing this one on purpose.
Toi.
Toi. What language is that?
that's-
Toi.
that's-
Are you filming us?
No, it's one, two. I think that's
Yeah, it is.
I have no idea.
Korean.
No, Korean, I don't know.
Alright, my turn.
Fat man walking.
Whoopee cushion. What are you doing?
It's original.
I think that Wookiee's gonna need some laxative.
That was good.
Intercept.
You got.
Dude, no.
Oh no.
The
Why
sound
is
of
it
a
my
child's
lap?
heartbeat.
Look at his life.
Actually, no, I like this.
Hey, I have one for you. The sound of a child's heartbeat when it's dying.
Get
Yeah,
out.
stop.
Wow.
Get out of here. Just go away.
Even
Wow.
This is like, go.
Yeah, we're all telling you to get out, bro.
Just leave.
That was dark and depressing, and go home.
Hi, guys. I smell like fried chicken in here.
And that is all the time we have. So we will definitely be doing a second one because that was way too short, and that was actually a lot of fun, believe it or not.
Yes.
So Chaos, Lakota, President Penguin,
And Grover.
Crawford.
And Dr. Pebbles.
And not him.
Yeah, not him, because he made that dead baby thing.
Yeah. Get out.
And we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
That's intense.